1. Black holes used to be stars. Stars live a very long time, but, just like us, they don't live forever. They slowly burn through the fuel that keeps them shining. When they run out, one of three things happens, mainly depending on its mass: the star will transform into a white dwarf, a neutron star, or a black hole. If the star is big enough, say 10 or 15 times as weighty as the Sun, it will explode when it reaches its end. The explosion causes the star to cave in on itself, decreasing its size dramatically. Because the size of the star gets smaller but the mass of it does not, the gravity surrounding the star becomes so strong it absorbs everything around it, including light, and a black hole is born. A star implodes to create a black hole. The core of a star has collapsed, forming a black hole inside. Within a few seconds there is a gamma-ray burst of matter away from the black hole. Image courtesy NASA, Skyworks Digital. 2. There are three types of black holes: primordial, considered to be tiny, these range from the size of a single atom to a mountain. Mountains probably don't seem tiny to you, but space is a mighty big place. Stellar, these are the ones most often found. They are about 20 times bigger than the Sun. Supermassive, the recently discovered black hole falls into this category. To be amongst this group, the hole has to be more than 1,000,000 times heavier than the Sun. A supermassive black hole. An artist's concept depicts a supermassive black hole at the center of a galaxy. Image courtesy NASA, JPL Caltech. 3. You can't see them with the naked eye. The reason black holes are black is that the gravitational pull at the center is so strong it consumes everything around it, including light. Because there is no reflection, we have no instrumentation that can detect the hole directly. So what scientists do instead is look for the traditional effects a black hole has on its surroundings. When a star is being pulled into the hole, it breaks apart and becomes distorted. As it's sucked in, the bits of matter from the star move faster, create intense heat and throw off a glare of X-rays. That's what astronomers can use to identify a hole. A black hole swallows up a star. An artist's concept shows a supermassive black hole at the center of a remote galaxy digesting the remnants of a star. Image courtesy NASA, JPL Caltech. 4. Black holes help create galaxies. While astronomers aren't entirely sure yet what part the black holes have played in the creation of galaxies, one theory is that a large star exploded, a black hole formed, and the rest of the galaxy was created around it. A black hole at the center of a star-rich galaxy. An artist's concept shows a primitive supermassive black hole, central black dot, at the core of a young, star-rich galaxy. Image courtesy NASA, JPL Caltech. 5. There's a black hole in the Milky Way. It's believed by scientists that there's a supermassive black hole in the middle of almost every galaxy. In fact, there's one at the center of the Milky Way, known as Sagittarius A*. Because the pull of a black hole is so strong, you might wonder whether Earth is in any danger of being sucked into one of the supermassive varieties. Well, worry not. Sagittarius A*, the Milky Way's black hole, is 26,000 light-years from Earth, too far away for it to affect us. Subscribe and leave a comment on what kind of videos you would like to see tomorrow. I will randomly choose.